And the question we have received today is telling us that solve a half into 3x minus 2 is less than, this symbol means less than, a third into x plus 4. This symbol tells us that this side of the equation, or this side of the inequality, is less than the other side of the inequality. And the solution would be, if you look at this number, we have a half here, and then we have a third on the other side. So what we can do here is we need to eliminate the fractions. Those are the denominators, that is the 2 and 3. And the most common way of eliminating fraction is by getting the LCM of the denominators, which are 2 and 3 in this case, and the LCM is 6. If you don't know how to get the LCM of 2 or more numbers, please go to our playlist for LCM of natural numbers and you'll be in position to learn from there. So after getting the LCM, what do we do to eliminate the denominator? So we shall say multiply both sides of all the terms by the LCM, which is 6. That means if I'm beginning by copying this example, this question, so we are saying multiply both sides by 6. So this side times 6 and also this side times 6. And then as you can see, we can reduce by 2, 1 by 2, 3. Also here by 3 we can reduce 1, and by 3 here we get 2. So we have simplified and the fractions or the denominators are going away. That means here we'll be left with 3 into 3x minus 2 is less than, I can begin with 2 into x plus 4. This is just a multiplication. It is 2 times, this one we shall treat like a single term, times 2. So I can begin with 2 first. So if I'm opening the brackets, that is I'm trying to expand to further simplify it, I will say 3 times 3x, it gives us 9x minus 6. This is less than 2x plus 8. Then I'm going to collect the like terms. That means I'm going to bring 2x this side. How you collect your like terms doesn't matter. Somebody can have the x on this side or on the other side, and you guys will get the same answer. So if I'm bringing 2 this side, I will say 9x minus 2x. 2 is positive here, but if it crosses the inequality symbol, it becomes negative. It's less than 8 plus 6. 6 has become positive here. Why? Because it was negative here, and we have crossed the inequality symbol. So simplifying it further here gives us 7x. 7x is less than 14. And then we say both sides by 7, both sides by 7. And here we shall see that x is less than 2. X is less than 2. That is what we have got. But they're telling us that we need to represent our solution on a number line. So x is less than 2. That means x takes on values that are less than 2. And for example, 1.9 is less than 2. So there is a value of x which is really very, very close to 2, but it is not 2. So, and we shall see on the number line, you draw your number line. This side goes to positive infinity, this side goes to negative infinity, but you just draw what is fit for your solution. Negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 1, 2, 3. So we are going to represent x is less than 2. And as we have said, x is not equal to 2. But the values of x which are very close to 2, for example, 1.99999 up to infinity. Now, the number is not 2, but it is approximately 2. It is really very close to 2, but it's not 2. So what we do is, we come and we say, there is a number here, approximately 2, but it is not 2. So we put an empty circle like that. That means there is a value which is very, very close to 2. So it is close to 2, either it is below 2, it is below and close to 2, or it is above and close to 2. But ours is saying x is less than 2. That means ours is below 2 but very close to 2. That is the first value of x. But the other values that x takes, because x is less than 2. So x is just below 2. So it can begin from 1. 1 is less than 2, and all the negative sides. So to cut up all those terms, because there are really very many numbers, we just say from here up to negative infinity. This one goes up to negative infinity. Any number on this side of the circle, on the left hand side of the circle, is less than 2. But we are putting the circle on 2. Why? We are saying that there is a value of x which is very close to 2. So this gives us the solution that x is less than 2. And that is the solution.